Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Evert. So, in your journey in designing components, building things, you'll be required to, at a point, design a spring for your project. So, we will be designing one in SolidWorks. It's quite simple. I'll take you through the process in a minute. So, first of all, in order to do that, we will need to know the diameter of our spring. Supposing it is 10 millimeters, right? We're going to do that and we're going to dimension 10, right? And then we're done with that, we can exit our sketch. After exiting the sketch, right? Where did I put this? It looks like I put it on the wrong plane. I want to put it at the top plane. So let me just change that. Okay, you're learning something new here. All right, so after I've drawn the sketch, right, and then I can select what we have here, helix and spiral, right? After doing that, I have it here. I can change a few parameters, height and revolution. Over here, my revolution, I want to maintain it at 12. My height, I want to maintain it at 40. Okay, and then my start angle, 90 degrees. Basically, the start angle is where do you want to have the, let me hide the sketch. Okay. Alright, I viewed it. Okay, so start angle. Do you want to start it from here? 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 So they are all places you could start it from. So, right, you can try that out. You get to learn exactly how it's going to work. Okay, now I want to draw a profile because I'm going to be using a tool called swept boss. So a profile, and then this is going to be my path, right? So in order to draw the profile, I want to sketch on a plane that intersects the helix. So the front plane intersects the helix. So I'm going to draw on the front plane. Okay, so left click, sketch, and then I'll draw a circle because that is the profile of, okay, give me a second. Okay, I want to dimension that as 2.5, right? That should work for me. Okay, I'm going to exit the sketch. Okay, so that is what I have. So I have my profile, this is my path. Okay, so now I go to swept boss. I'm going to choose my profile, then the path, I'm going to choose there. Okay, so that is how we get our spring. Perfect. All right, let's hide that. So that is quite simple, right? So that you can do much more complex design with this particular feature, the helix and spiral, right? You can try that out, learn a lot of things, how it works, how it's being used. So try it out, test it all out, and then thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed it.